Neighbor across the street is not going to get anywhere. Good luck, buddy. Yeah, we got some snow. My little low to the ground car is not going to get anywhere. Let's see, what's he doing over there? If he can get out of the neighborhood onto the main street, he'll be okay. Trouble is, see, if you're low at all, you're going to get hung up. See, there he is. He's hung up. Well, that was about 2 feet. Yep, about 2 feet. I wonder what his plan is. Sometimes you just gotta stay at home, bud. Yeah, now you're gonna be stuck in the middle of the road. Yeah. That was me yesterday. Sometimes you gotta put it in reverse and go back. Put it in reverse. That's it. Okay. Goodbye, buddy. Hope you make it. Hope the snow monster doesn't get you. Hi, kitty. What are you doing? It's kind of dark in here. Yeah. Go back over here. Oh, you know, it doesn't do this all winter as far as Christmas time, Thanksgiving. It waits until February, where it's almost spring, to unload all this crap on us. Oh, well. That's life.